Well, if you work in tech, finance, or hold a US work visa, new economic data showing unexpected job losses and downgrade labor revision that requires your immediate attention. While stock indices continue to fluctuate around historic level, newly released federal employment metrics that reveals underlying fragility across the US labor market. According to the official updates from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the US economy experienced a net loss of 26,000 jobs in July, defying the Wall Street forecast that projected an additional 83,000 positions. Even more concerning for the market analysts is the massive downwards revision to previous year. Federal statistical agencies downgraded combined job growth for May and for June by 103,000 jobs, signaling that domestic employment conditions were significantly weaker mid 2026 than initially it was reported. Well, for Indian workers and corporate migrants, these revisions confirm that hiring freezes and silent reconstructing across major enterprise sector are actively slowing the re-employment window. While looking deeper into the industry breakdowns, it highlights where economic contraction is taking place. The retail sector, it shed about 19,000 jobs in July, while the financial service industry cut about 14,000 roles. Even hospitality and service sector, which typically maintains strong summer hiring, that declined by 40,000 positions, signaling shifting consumer spending patterns. And additionally, the wage dynamics present an ongoing challenge for corporate workers here. Well, average wage growth it slowed to just 0.1% month over month, bringing annual wage growth down to 3.2%, with broader consumer inflation hovering about 3.5%. Well, here economists pointed out that 3.2% annual wage growth it represents one of the lowest wage expansion rates seen over the last 5 years. And yes, additional critical point that we need to know that now it is very important to note from the July data, which is quite noticeable shrinkage in total labor force participation. Well, since late 2025, approximately 2 million workers have exited the official active US labor force. Well, this decline it reflects early retirement, extended long-term unemployment, and foreign temporary workers returning home countries following the contract expiration or maybe visa limit. Ladies and gentlemen, for foreign professionals holding H-1B, L-1 or OPT status, a contracting job market introduces operational challenge. The 60-day grace period, that's a trap for them. Finding an employer willing to file an H-1B transfer within 60 days of a layoff, that becomes vastly more difficult in a declining job market. Then, perm to labor certification delays are also there. Corporate layoffs, they force the employers to pause or maybe restart the perm labor certification, extending green card processing limit. And yes, the wage scrutiny has also heightened. With wage growth slowing, well, USCIS and the Department of Labor are enforcing stricter prevailing wage requirement for the visa renewal. This weakening labor data, it places the Federal Reserve in a challenging policy position. Central bank leaders face competing priorities now. Maintaining elevated interest rate to combat the persistent inflation or cutting benchmark interest rate to prevent further economic slowdown. Well, for corporate techies, specifically Indians, these macroeconomic conditions that suggest that enterprise tech firms will continue forcing on capital efficiency, AI integration, and offshore capability expansion in Indian Global Capability Centers, or also we can call it GCCs. Job mobility will remain constrained, making the internal career stability and continuous skill upgrading essential strategy point. In the end, the US labor market is experiencing a structural slowdown, well, marked by 103,000 downward job revision maybe and real wage erosion. If you are on a US work permit, audit your emergency financial reserve now. Maintain up-to-date compliance record with your employer and evaluate a backup visa strategy to protect your career stability in 2026.